Oh, look at that. Look, his hand is right in front of him.
He's saying hi, Alex.
He's waving at
He's
you,
saying
Alex.
hi.
Yes?
See his hand? I'll show you when we... Look, there.
Look.
You see his arm?
It's right in front of his face.
We'll show you on the pictures, okay?
He's got his arm bent up.
His
See,
arm
Alex,
bent,
he's
see?
doing like this. He's got his arm right up bent in front of his face.
Like this?
Kind of like that. We're looking at him from the side. Is he moving? Is it him moving or you?
It looks like he's sucking his thumb.
moving.
Is he sucking his thumb?
No.
No.
He is waving his fingers.
He's sucking his thumb.
Alex, I think he's waving at you.
No, he's doing this.
His hands opening and closing. Oh my gosh.
He's doing this.
Yeah, I think he is.